Let's get it. Tell you what, this will be excellent winter gear. I don't feel any fucking wind at all. And here comes the rain. Get in this right lane and go the fucking speed limit because this is about to fucking suck. I hope my camera is waterproof enough for this bullshit. At least I'm fucking reflective as hell. Like, if you don't see me, you're a fucking moron, straight up. Holy fuck. Well, I feel the coldness of the rain, but I don't feel the I don't feel the actual water except for on my wrist, and I'm sure my hands are gonna be fucking soaked, and I can't see a goddamn thing. Ah! Ow! Ow! Ah, the wind. This is fucking retarded! Don't get a fucking Siddiqui helmet if you want to be dry in the fucking rain, because my face is all fucking wet. I can barely fucking see. These people probably think I'm fucking lunatic. It's kind of hilarious. If I saw me right now, I would be laughing at me. Shit. There goes that fucking fogged up helmet where you can't see shit anymore. What is this car doing? It's interesting, to say the least. I hope my fucking camera's even still functioning, much less recording. Because there's a hole drilled into the bottom of the fucking housing. Dude, look at this fucking water. This is absurd. Oh, fuck. Now my foot is officially soaked. Holy shit. So much fucking water, dude. I mean, riding in the rain is one thing. Riding in a fucking monsoon is just ridiculous. This is stupid. Look at that water. Oh, my fucking mouth's all wet anyway. Might as well open the vent. God, this water. I don't know if you can tell through the camera, but this water is fucking ridiculously high, dude. It's like the water is splashing me. It's not even the rain that's wetting me. The water from the road is like an inch thick. Not that big a deal, I guess. This water is fucking deep. Fuck. Wish I could see. Well, what is it like to ride a sport bike in the fucking rain? It absolutely sucks balls. Huge balls. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not stopping. Oh, my fucking feet are so wet now. I might be able to wear these boots for like a fucking month. Well, I will say my tires don't feel like they slip. Well, I'm not riding like an asshole, but tires do feel pretty much this road here is fucking slick as hell. Well, even with a little juice, little acceleration juice, it doesn't feel too bad. I didn't feel it break traction, but I'm not trying to find out. Definitely not trying to fucking find out if I can slip. I know you can. I don't want to. Dude. Oh shit, that water was deep. Look at this fucking water, dude. This is fucking nuts. Oh, well, rain riding tips. Here's a rain riding demonstration. Pay attention and drive slow, motherfuckers. And be careful on the bridges. These bitches are slippery. Well, I'm getting the fuck to my house as soon as I can, so that's all I got for today.
Yeah, I'm a fucking leaver. Yeah, I'm a fucking eager. Flyer and deeper. Smoke like a cohiba. Your hoe give me cerebral. Now get low and touch your toe for my people. And if you ain't fucking them, then you ain't fucking me either. You think your man hot? Well, fucking me either. Heard I got guap, wanna kick it like FIFA. Everyday Christmas cause I'm smoking that reefer. Keep a lot of bitches like Queen Latifah. I am Southern Land, not Kiefer. YME for Young Money Entertain.